Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to do a mirror painting. In general, when we do mirror painting, we'll use the same kind of materials which we use for glass painting. So the required materials for this project are few glass colors. You can just use them, are the ones which are readily available in the market. It is better if you want to use translucent colors because that will give a good look on mirror. That is what is my opinion. You can try whatever you want to. Probably you can try acrylics or any other thing. In general, when you want to paint on a mirror or a glass, you will use a glass outliner. And when it comes to glass, you will have a picture underneath the glass, and then you will just draw the sketch above that, and you will use a glass liner for it. When it comes to mirror, you can't have anything underneath that. So actually I figured out a way to paint on mirror. What I did is I just took a crayon and then I gave an outline of what I would draw on it, and then I used this outliner. So today I would just show you the same and how to do it. For instance, I am just taking this mirror to show you the demo, and I am just drawing a simple flower on it, and for that I am using a simple crayon. If you can see, I am just drawing a flower, and this gives me an outline. So when I'm done with my outline, I can just line this with a glass outliner, just like this. And then I can develop on this base. This is my project for today, and I actually gave an outline on this. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. So what will I do is I'll just outline with a glass outliner and show you the outline, and then I will tell you how to fill the colors. Okay, for instance, I'll just start from here. And then try to give an outline. My project, I just gave an outline. I hope you can see it. I just drew a tree and two birds on it. So what would I do is I would just fill this with colors now. And for demo purpose, we drew this flower yesterday. So I would just give different shades or use different types of colors and show you how would they appear on a mirror, so that you can draw whatever you like. So here first I'm trying acrylics on this petal. And when you are using acrylics, you must not dilute them completely. So be careful that you will not dilute this completely. And I just gave a shade. And as I said, I just gave a shading with acrylic colors. And when you give a shading with acrylic colors, it would be opaque. And now I am trying a glass color. This would be transparent, and when you are using this, it would be more of a liquid kind, and you must take care that there are no bubbles formed while coloring. You need to start from one corner and then just spread the color. This is how a glass paint would look, and it is in general translucent in shade. And now I am using these glass paints. You need to just tap on the petal and then spread the color. So these are three different colors we used, and this violet is completely transparent, this red is translucent, and this blue is opaque. I think you can find the difference. That is the reason I actually showed you all these three shades. And now for my project, I'll use this translucent colors today, and I'll just show you how would this look after completing it. Okay, so I'm taking red color and I'm doing these flowers here. We are done with coloring all the flowers. I actually gave red to the flowers, and when you are drawing this flower or petal, you must take care that the outline is completely done, because if you leave any gaps in the outline, there are chances that the color may spread out and it won't give the look you are actually expecting for. So now we are done with coloring the flowers. I would go ahead and color the branches in brown color. We are almost done with coloring the leaves as well. I gave a green color to all these leaves, and this would take little time to dry. And now I would color the birds, then we would be done with this painting. We are done with coloring leaves, trees, branches, everything in the project, and now I am left with these birds. I am actually giving a blue color to the bird's body, and I would love to give a yellow color to its wings. So this is the last color. This is how our project would look once it is colored and completed. I actually gave blue and yellow shades to the bird. In case if you observe the flowers here, I did not draw them towards the birds, I did them away from the birds. This is just to give some center of focus to the birds. Okay, in case if you want to draw anything, just draw it far away from the birds, not very close to the bird, because today these are the center of focus. So I don't want to shift the focus to other a part of the project, like just drawing many leaves near to the birds or flowers near the birds or something like that. So this is the final output. I actually did a mirror painting on this one, and this was my first project, and I just went about drawing them with acrylic colors. I did not have any base, or I did not have any outline for this, and this is another project of mine. Thanks for watching.